What's going on, everyone? In this video I'll show you how to enable the dual app feature on your Poco M3 or M4 device. So if you are using the Poco M3, the M3 Pro, or the M4 Pro, or the Pro 5G, any of the M3 or M4 device, this is how to enable dual app features on those devices. As you can see here on my screen, I have two different Instagram accounts and these two different Instagram apps here on my phone. You can see I have two different Instagram accounts here on my phone. So I'll show you how to enable dual app features on your Poco M3 and M4 device. So all you first have to do is to go to settings. So when you head over to settings, you have to scroll down to where it says apps, then you click on apps. So you have to scroll down to here where it says dual apps. So you click on dual apps. So here you can see it's recommending to enable dual app on WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. So if there's any other app you want to dual, either your WhatsApp, Instagram, even if it is Fiverr, or any account you have on your phone, any app you have on your phone that you want to create dual app features for, all you have to do is to click on this and also click on enable dual apps. So that will create a new Facebook app for you. So when you go to your apps, you can see they have a new Facebook app right here. So if I have two different Facebook apps on my phone, so I can have different accounts for these two Facebook apps. Here's my own account, Facebook account, and you can also go ahead to see this other account, and here you can create a new Facebook. You can add a new Facebook account right here in the second app, and you can see, so you can add a new Facebook account. You can have two different accounts for your Facebook. So that's just how to enable the Facebook and dual apps on your Xiaomi Poco M3 and M4 device. So all you have to do is go to settings, then you go to apps, then you go to dual apps, then you can enable for any other device you want to enable, any device at all. So that will be all for this video. I hope you find the video helpful. My name is Victor Smith, and I'll see you in the next one.